Okay, so we're working on the 1977 F-250 Custom. And now I got my rear brakes installed correctly. Okay. I got both sides done. All right. So this truck was a service vehicle. I'm pretty sure this is an industrial version that I'm working with. And in this part of the country, it gets 50 below, not counting wind chill. So no doubt what somebody did was set their parking brake, thinking that's the correct thing to do. Only problem is when he got back in the truck, or her, the parking brake made the drums freeze to that, making it impossible to move the truck. Okay? So imagine being in the middle of nowhere and you cannot move. And if you call into the shop, they're probably gonna laugh because people from this part of the country don't understand how it works. I've seen people actually lock in the front wheels and drag the back wheels all the way back to the shop. I mean, it's what you have to go through when that happens is incredibly, it's tough going and the weather's bad and it's probably snowing like crazy. Blizzard-like conditions, white out. So when I started this, the emergency brake components had literally been cut off with a torch. So no doubt after this person went through that problem, they wanted to make sure it would never happen again. So I didn't worry about putting that back on because can't say I've been through that myself, but I've seen other people lock in the hubs in the front and drag the back wheels, which on pavement, that's a little tough. It ain't too bad on dirt. Anyway, so this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.